How to favorite a website on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the search bar at the bottom. Then, go to any website, for example, apple.com. If you want to add this website to your favorites, then go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Here, tap on Add to Favorites. You have now successfully added this website to your favorites. Tap on the favorites icon below as shown. You can view all your favorite websites over here. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily favorite a website on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.